Good morning children. Again the same topic in this video, the sequence of tense, chapter number 24. In this video I will explain you a present or future tense in principal clause followed by any tense. Rule number 4, a present or future tense in principal clause followed by any tense. It may be present, past, future. Clear? According to the sense. Example number 1, he thinks that she works hard. Clear? He thinks that she works hard. Next example, he thinks that she worked hard. Clear? And now third example, he thinks that she will work hard. Clear? It means followed by any tense, present, past or future required by a sense. Required by a sense. He thinks, according to sense in this, she works hard. He thinks that she worked hard. He thinks that she will work hard. Now one more example, he will think that she is present. He will think that she was present. He will think that she will be present. Clear? It means a present or future tense in a principal clause followed by any tense required by the sense. Clear? Required by the sense. Now one more note is there. If the conjunction in is last, if the conjunction is last, may not, the verb in the subordinate clause is always should, whatever the tense in the principal clause. Example, she works hard lest you should fail. Clear? Or that she may not fail. She worked hard lest you should fail, or that she might not fail. She will work hard lest she should fail, or that she may not fail. Clear? Now this rule, in this rule, according to this rule, if our principal clause present or future clause and the subordinate clause followed by any tense according to the requirement of the sense. Clear? The sequence of tense is the principle according to which the tense of the verb in a subordinate clause follows the tense of the verb in the principal clause. There are two main rules about the sequence of tense. Rule number 1, a past tense in the principal clause is followed by a past tense in the subordinate clause. Rule number 2, a present or future tense in the principal clause may be followed by any tense. Clear? Thank you.